Heard it? Okay. Okay, for the fourth section, we have a science and mechanical section. On science, we will learn some a bit about the forces, about the categories, about the state of matter, and uh, some like the velocity or etc. Okay. So, do you like science? Okay, excellent. You like science. Excellent. Okay, let's start. You don't like it. That's totally okay. So let's start with the question number one. يلا نايف.
Uh, the benefits of having friction force in nature. A reduces speed and causes object to stop. B movement from one place to another. How? Movement of
Oh,
movement.
it means when you move something to another base, but movement of movement, it's just a wrong, I think,
Grammar.
grammarly. Yes.
Yeah. C help to move and walk. D have a little use. I think A reduce speed causes object to stop.
Excellent. So friction force, it will reduce the speed and causes the object to stop. So let
Teacher,
me show you. Yes.
in the exams that you sent it to us in WhatsApp,
Yes.
there are a lot of questions I don't understand.
Okay, that's okay. I think Mr. Zaki will explain it on YouTube. I will send you the recorded. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Like, let's see this video about friction. Yeah, okay, I will open the caption. Yeah, again. Okay, so basically it is compared the friction force on each picture. When you have a sloppy floor or have a water, it will have a lower friction. Okay. And I want to tell you that friction is a part of force. Okay. This is the force that is going to be opposite with the movement. So the movement is like the black arrow, and the friction is like the yellow arrow. Okay, so it's going to be opposite to object force. Okay, this is the only thing that you need to know for now. Okay, so again, friction force, it is the force that is opposite to, this is, sorry, okay, this is the object, and this is the force of object. So it's going to be the force that is opposite to the objects. Okay. So it's going to reduce speed and cause object to stop. Let me give you an example to make it simpler to you. When you have a car and there is a traffic, so you're moving with car with high speed, but then there is a traffic in front of you. So you're going to press the brake, right? You're going to press the brake. Brake will give you a friction force, okay? Friction force, which means the force that is against the force against the force of uh, against your movement, and then it will cause the car to reduce its speed, and eventually you will stop. Do you understand? Okay, all of you understand question number one? Do you want me to repeat anything? I'm sorry for that. Okay, like question number two. Let me see here. يلا فاطمة. Question number two.
Yes, teacher. Herbivores are animals. A. Eat plants. B. Produce its food. C. Eat other animals. D. Eat plants and animal. Uh, uh, I think that
What is
it is not B and it's not C. It's A or
okay?
D.
Okay,
I
so
think
it's
that
the
I
herbivores.
think that I think the answer is D.
Okay, so you have here herbivores. Herbivores, it's the animals that eat only a grass, tree, leaf of tree. So what do you think?
It's plants.
Excellent. It's
It's
plant.
plant.
Excellent. Thank you,
Yes.
Fatima. Excellent. Okay, so let me tell you, what is the species of, okay, so it's the species of animals. Okay, there is a great picture here. Okay, so there are three species of animal here based on what they eat. Okay, so there's three per type of diet on animal kingdom, which is herbivores, carnivore, and omnivore. So you have here first herbivore, which is eat only plant. Okay, then this type, which is I think it's pronounced carnivore. I'm sorry if my pronunciation isn't right, but you can see on the picture what's the right word here. And it's only eat animal, okay? It's only eat animals. However, it is the animals that eat plants and other animals. Like here, a mouse, here's a here, and etc. Okay? So take a screenshot of this picture. Yalla, all of you take a screenshot for this picture. Okay, excellent. So a herbivore are animals that eat only plant. Okay? Okay, excellent. Yalla, question number three. Yalla, Linar.
Which of the properties of the following objects are not affected by the change of state from solid to liquid? It's the mass.
Excellent. D, mass. Why?
Because it's not affected by the change of the state from solid to liquid.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay, let me show you another video here. Okay. Okay, the change of matter. Okay. I will open the transcription so I can read. Okay, so here you have two bakers and a printing triode here, which is going to originate heat, and you have an ice. Okay, I know the video sound is not hearable. I will explain to you. Okay, so here you're going to put an ice, and let's assume that an ice has a 40 kilogram, or let's say 40 gram, 40 gram, okay? So when you put that ice on this beaker and put it on the scale, you can see that it is a 40 gram. Then put it on the heat, it will change the matter from solid to liquid. It will melt, okay? So the process here called melting. And it will, before it's boiling, when you change it from solid, which is ice, into liquid, and we said that the solid ice has a 40 gram. When you take the beaker again with the water now and put it on the same scale, it will give you a same mass, which is a 40 gram. Then you have another process here called evaporation. This is not our question here, but evaporation, it is the when a liquid changed into a gas. Okay? So first, there is a three type I'm sorry. So there is a three type of state of matter. Okay? And in science we have a four, which is let's see here. We have a three type to make it simpler: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so when it's changed from solid, which is ice, into liquid, it will have the same mass. This is our question here. The property that's not affected by the change of state from solid to liquid. And just again, imagine you have this beaker with this a ice cube, which weighing a 40 gram, and then you will put it on the heat. Then it will be this a beaker of water, and also it's going to weigh a 40 gram. Okay, so all of you understand. Shall I move? Or do you want me to explain it again? Okay, yeah, let's move to question number 4. Yes. Okay, يلا جود. Question number 4.
Question 4. The weight of the body of the moon is less than its weight on Earth due to D. Moon's gravity is less than Earth's gravity.
Excellent. So here, moon's gravity lower than Earth's gravity. Earth's gravity is higher than the moon, so it will have a higher weight. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Come to.
Can you just please hey, I just need the hey with the picture for the with the herbivores and the carnivores and the omnivores, please. I just wanted to screenshot it.
Yes, that's you can see.
Second. Okay.
Okay. Fatima. It says here, which of the following, or which of the properties of the following object not affected by the change of state from solid to liquid? Okay, so from solid to liquid, let's see here, solid, let's say it's an ice, and here's a liquid, which is a water. So the same ice, when we put it on heat, we will see that it has a same mass, okay? Okay, so the thing that not affected by the change of matter or change of the state of matter, it's going to be the mass. Okay, yalla. Question number 5. Let's see. Yalla, question number 5. Here, Nawal.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Question number 5, please.
Question number 5. Fusion is A, the liquid is converted to gaseous. B, the gaseous substance is converted into liquid. C, the solid is converted into liquid. D, the gas is converted into a solid. This I don't really understand, but what I understand from fusion, it's the joining of two substances.
Okay. So let me show you here what fusion means. State of matter. Okay. Here you will have this picture. It's a very important because it will show you all the meaning. This one, melting, no, I want this one, yes. So you can see here, from ice to water, it will be the fusion, okay, which is melting. So from solid to liquid, okay? You can all of you take a screenshot and let me also share it on the chat. Okay, so fusion, it's when the matter change from solid to liquid. So what do you think is the answer? What do you think?
So I think the answer is C.
Excellent. C, solid converted to liquid. Excellent. Okay, let me explain again. Here you have a liquid, gas, and solid. Okay, let's see the solid here for the ice, liquid like in water, gas like in water vapor. So when the matter change from solid to liquid, it will melt. So this process called fusion. When we put water on the freeze, okay, and we want it to be an ice, it will have a process called solidification. Saltification, okay? So it's going to be salt. When you have solid and want it to become a gas, it will have a process called sublimation. Sublimation. From the gas into solid, it will have also the sublimation. From liquid to gas, it's going to be a vaporization. Vapor. So, vapor. Okay? Vapor, which is the gas. So, vaporization. And from gas to liquid, it will have a process which called condensation. Condensation. It will condense. Okay? So all of you understand this concept. And I already sent it to you on the chat. And let me send this picture again. So everyone can be aware of these concepts. Okay, يلا question number 6 here. I can see. يلا نورا. يلا نورا, question number 6.
A man
Yes, fusion,
passed
it
by
is a melting. I'm sorry.
what?
Now, I'm just answering one of the chat question. It says, is a fusion equal the melting? Yes, it's equal together. Fusion equal melting.
A
Okay,
man
let's
passed by a
proceed.
compass and moved its index. The reason being that the man turned south, holds a magnet piece, turned north, carries a dry battery.
Okay, what do you think?
D.
Okay, let me show you what compass mean. Compass here. So this is a compass.
I know it's
And
a
okay, do you think they have a battery on old days? They didn't
that they
have a
what?
battery, right? Battery is a innovation from these years, but compass used like before 100 of years. So what do you think the right answer?
Um,
So this red arrow responds to
it holds a magnet.
magnetic. Yes, magnet. So holds a magnet piece because this red arrow, it is response to magnet. Okay, which is basically a magnetic here. So the answer will be magnet. Excellent, Nora. Okay, all of you understand this question? Okay. So here a man passed by compass and moved its index. Index, it's the red arrow here. This is the index, okay? And the reason of being that the man, which is a moving index which have a magnet, okay? So this index from the compass, it will move in response to magnet. So the man will hold the magnet and we'll see if it's working, it will move in response to magnet, okay? Not a battery. Okay, before we proceed, I think your number is here, 36. This is for grade 2, okay? Make sure that this is a right class. So some of you is a new and we barely finish our course. So if you are joining a wrong session, you can rejoin the right session, okay? This is a grade 2, okay? like question number 7. يلا علي. Yes, this is for grade 2. Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, this is for this is for yes. يلا علي, question number 7. Okay, let's see here. Level 2, I mean. Level 2, not grade 2. I'm sorry. Level 2. يلا آمنة. Question number 7.
Yes. I think the answer is wait, let me see.
Okay, let's first read the question.
I think B or D.
Okay, let's read the question. If the pulley 1, which is here, pulley 1, move 1 clockwise, the pulley 2 will rotate how many?
B.
So this is
B,
pulley
B.
1, and this is okay. Let me see. So B, it's excellent answer. Thank you, Amina. So here it will move clockwise. Do you know what clockwise mean?
Yes.
Clockwise mean which is with a clock. So this is a clockwise. So
It's like
this
moving in the direction of a clock, like
excellent,
entirely, like in the arrow.
excellent, Amina. So it will have a 3 centimeter here, and here it will have 1 centimeter. So if this big ball move one time, just one time, because it's a huge and have a three. Oh, let's see, it's has a distance of 3 centimeter. It will going to move the 3 times.
Can I
So 3
can I
cycle
explain?
with a clock. Yes, you can explain.
Like if the small one like moves one time, the big one will move 3 times because like you're like multiplying like 3 times 1, it will be 3. Like one time the small one moves, 3 times the big one will move.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Yalla, Maria, question number 8.
Yes, teacher. If a pulley 1 rotates clockwise, pulley 2 will rotate in the direction of, I think the answer is A, which is clockwise.
Excellent, clockwise on the same movement of other body. Excellent, Maria. Okay, all of you understand this question? Do you want me to explain anything? Okay, excellent. Yalla, Zaina, question number 9.
Yes, teacher. Which of the following conditions can an equal mass of the same material be drawn on a smooth surface with the least force?
Here, do you think they are the same mass and all of them on the same surface? So which one will be easier to move?
The B.
B, excellent. It will be the one that easier to move because you will not need any for a huge force to move it. Okay, question number 8. If the poly one rotate clockwise, this is one, and it will rotate a clockwise with the clock like this arrow. And poly 2 will rotate on the direction of, so you can see here, they are attached with that that thing, okay? So they will move on the same direction. So this is a clockwise and this will be going to a clockwise, okay? Okay. Yalla, practice here. Question number 10. Wait a minute.